Welcome back to the Keeper Reet YouTube channel.
Sure, I'm back in Australia and we're in full force prepping for the LZ World Tour. So we're back down here at Calder Park Raceway, Jazz.
Oh, and sitting behind us is our latest giveaway car, our biggest, powered, scariest. It's live now. You can go in the draw to win this thing, but this is a R32 GTR built by Motorsport Mechanical.
Sure, sounds interesting.
It's got a Nitto 2.8 litre Samsonas Sequential.
Nice.
Makes almost 1500 horsepower.
What?
Eesh. 1040 kilowatts to all four wheels.
What? What the? That's crazy.
She's got Micky Thompsons all around, and we're down here at Calder Park. We're gonna see what she can do legally. It is a full-blown street car. It's actually full street interior, really nice to drive, but we figured we'd do it within the law.
Hang on, what do we do? You expect me to drive this?
That's it, jump in. Don't die.
We're gonna.
Yeah, she revs to 10,000 RPM.
True. Show me under this bonnet, Jay.
Yeah, let's have a look.
I need to see what's going on here.
Ooh, damn.
Foot and tarnation.
Don't know.
That's gold.
We got Hypertube, we got Nitto, and we got a turbo the size of Jason's.
That's chunky. That's got 1 mil clearance from the head right there. What is it? 3 litre.
Nitto 2.8. Built top to bottom. Don't know heaps about it, but it makes 1,000 kilowatt, 50 PSI boost or 55 PSI boost.
And all the spec sheet has. Just says
yeah, that's it.
2.8 makes 1,000.
Just says,
that's it.
Hold on, click gears, don't die. That was all I was given by Mick at Motorsport Mechanical.
I do know that when he sent this car, he put it in like full safety mode, and we got a disclaimer. Disclaimer!
Yes.
You may die, basically. So.
Yeah, his wife sent us a little email just giving us a heads up. This car is no joke. So anyway, we're about to find out.
Yes, and that disclaimer will be passed on to whoever wins this thing, exactly the same thing. We're gonna dull it down for you.
Yeah.
So you can survive for a little while, and then it's your choice if you want to turn it up. Because that's scary.
Yeah, it's got the Turbo Smart boost controller, so you don't have to drive it on full kill mode. And I drove this thing to alignment and back, and yeah, it drives like a standard GTR. And it's got a switch that opens a valve in the exhaust if you want to make lots of noise and go racing. But let's do that.
Care. Enough talking, let's go race.
Let's do it. And we might chuck a few Keeper Reet employees in the car and scare them,
yeah,
including myself.
Got some new accessories by Mungie. The GoPro necklace. Get yours today, Keeper Reet dog.
They're not actually. They're not on our website.
We're doing this or what? Yep. I'm nervous.
I'm scared.
Everyone in.
Oh my god.
What is that? Hold on, what is that?
Family day.
The family's back. I'm scared. Is it read 1,000 kilowatt?
Yeah, she's on.
What does this button do, Jas?
That's the noise button.
Oh.
Vibration. Feel it in your hands.
It's like right there. Yeah. Oh! You'll be good for the roll? Yeah. I'll just land on you, crush the nuts. How much boost?
55, I think.
Yeah. Hopefully Mick doesn't look at the logs again. Mate, you're only a quarter dollar.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Right. That's how you do it. It's got the same one in the V8.
Okay.
It's got the same one in the V8. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 oh,
Yeah, that's not
So
what
it's just safety mode when you turn it on.
told me.
See what happens. Seatbelt on. Seatbelt on, Jesse. Seatbelt on, Jesse. Seatbelt Bro, where's the brakes at? It's got no brakes, Gary. Did the camera smack you in the face, Mungie?
Bro, that's quick. That's so quick. That's with 4 people in the car.
That's
scary.
That's,
Holy shit.
that's quieting it down. That's dangerous.
Holy shit, that's fast.
I think we almost went upside down.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh,
Ah! That first gear.
it might be a lot quicker without the trunks on the back seat.
I don't know if it'll make a huge amount of difference at that power level. Should I put my foot flat this time?
Surely that was foot flat.
I don't know. Check the log. That was just foot flat waiting. I don't know how to drive this. It's crazy.
I don't know how to react. It's so hot. It's so hot. Oh, it's a big car, mate.
Alright, try again. No, it's got enough runway, we'll be right. I'll try ease it in until I get a bit of grip and not actually do a backflip. Is that good with everyone?
Yeah, no backflip sounds good to me.
I forgot to open up the exhaust.
Oh yeah. That's scary.
Where's Marcus's alignment at?
It's interesting how it pulls so much.
Yeah, how are you supposed to keep that straight? Don't know. Yeah, I tried to ease it a bit more on the throttle to try and point it straight and just shoot straight fast. And it still just wanted to get out of hand. There you go, mate, there you go.
What are you saying?
It's a big car. It's a big car.
I think it needs to be stiffened up real bad. Stop it from... Can you adjust the coil over a bit? Has it run at a time before?
He said it'll run at mid-8, but I don't think since it's had the power I put into it.
Full stiff. The rear mainly. Got their Micky Thompson R's all round. What size? 255 all round.
4 clicks. There's so much style in this.
I'd wear this around everywhere. Point of view. Stop. A little bit lower than point of view, but
Dane Farron.
Dane Farron's life.
Actually a very well built car, not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's nice. I love the harsh pop on the change. Boosh! That noise when it gets the high RPMs. All those roll racing videos, that's where they're at. Clutch is real nice. Nicer than any other cars we've used. That's a bit better. Jassie's tuning. That held it, that held it.
What even is that?
Didn't lift up as bad then. Still reckon the drew needs to be changed. Hold the front down a bit more.
Oh, yeah, I think it's a bit fast to be honest. Like, I don't know if I can do anything with that.
Yeah. I'd be interested how far down my foot was. I didn't put a foot flat like for the initial hit, but I reckon I did into the next gear and then kept it into it a little bit more.
That's like full don't breathe the whole time.
I'm mind blown. I wasn't expecting that.
How are you
We've gone in fast cars, but I haven't like.
No, we've done 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah.
It's not set up.
Yeah.
We haven't done 1,000 kilowatt set up. The NSX was what 800 HP,
Yeah.
well set up, but not all.
This
Right.
is something else, though.
That wheel spin coming to the third. That was faster.
Wow.
that was more flat.
We need to get Josh in there.
Slowly more confidence. Should just do just Josh only.
Yeah, do it.
He wants to. He's coming.
He's coming.
He's coming. He's coming.
It looks pretty wild.
You're up. You're up, so.
It looks fucking good.
The noise.
Oh, it's feel it in your chest when it goes past. It's next level. Like it's just.
Louden her up for you.
I'm scared.
For the maximum.
This one.
Oh,
It's the handle. We're gonna shit myself.
No, you won't be able to because the G-force will hold it in. It's a big car, mate. Just hold on, Sonny. Won't feel Kang much longer. You ready, JB Rollers? Oh, I didn't like it. Ah! Oh, no.
Oh no.
What was that?
Didn't like it. No, not shift hard enough. Not going neutral. Ah! Samsonas. Maybe I wasn't harsh enough on the. Kind of felt like it let the power out too early, or it wasn't harsh enough on the to before the next hit. Don't know. Lucky we've got a OS Geekin ready to go. If it's the gearbox, it might be something else, but don't know how it works.
I reckon you the old turn off, turn back on. She'll be.
Oh, true. It. Yeah, no.
Comes right.
What are you doing? Dang it. Typical. That was going to be the last one as well. But I didn't say it because I know it's a curse when you say it's the last one. Pray that it's not something bad. I don't know if I just didn't shift hard enough, but it didn't like that shift. Yeah. Started making nasty noises instantly.
I heard it.
Can't be drive shaft, or it could, unless it was like in the uni. Or
works.
it seems to do everything and not make noises. So unless it's input shaft again, or it's no drive, it must be input shaft there.
But I think we might be done.
Yeah. Oh, lucky we got an OS Geekin coming. Diagnosis, most likely input shaft. Oh, at least you can tell Mick that we gave it a good thing and we broke his car. Built it stronger.
Yeah, we had a go. Samsonas
Didn't like it.
but that's alright, we'll rebuild.
I want to see a replay of my shift because it felt like I shifted pretty good, but it didn't like it. So whether or not it did just something happened with the delay on the thing and it
one gear
crunched.
pull into exploding gearbox.
Yeah.
What? No regret.
Oh, I didn't like it. It made the pop and then it just went.
You just see what
I was
third
like,
gear feels like.
Clutch in.
I'm kind of glad we never got to.
Yeah, third gear was wild. Definitely probably pushing the levels of speed with no brakes and no help. Big of a big car. Big car.
It's really upsetting, but that was a ride of my life. That was unreal. Keen to watch some footage back.
Definitely fastest car we've been in.
Yeah, didn't disappoint. But play with big power, get big consequences.
Yeah, easy.
Great power comes great responsibility.
And
No,
bank account.
we will rebuild.
We will rebuild.
Anyway, to support the Keeper Reet Foundation and breaking expensive fast cars, make sure you click that link down below, because you could own this 1,000 kilowatt box killing car.
Several days later.
She's back! It's all good, ladies and gentlemen. We didn't end up breaking the Samsonas Sequential, so that's a win because that's like $30,000+. We actually just broke the GTR transfer case. So I've gone ahead, I've replaced it, and the car is all good, ready to go, ready for one of you guys to take ownership of this absolute beast. As if this video, don't forget, it's live for the next few days only. Biggest horsepower, craziest GTR we've ever done to date. KeeperReet.com, jump on it, and that's it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.